finally, guys, here we go. Actor, director, Mr. Jackie Chan. Alright, let's start the day. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hajima so Hong Kong. Alright, so we did the last of the side Takibo. I'll go around and walk around the city at the park college. I hope you'll enjoy the video. So stay tuned till the end. Our ATM will like go to terminal opera cruise terminal. I'll exchange some money and I'll call for a Uber. Our Uber to matar episode ahile at Tesla. What a surprise. And here we are on board a Tesla. My first Tesla Uber. Wow, it's amazing. Our bondhukol moi sabole goi asu etia the famous Bruce Lee statue in Hong Kong. Aru at a stretch hoy, it's like a celebrity handprint ase by the sea. Hetu sabole goi asu. And you can see it's so exciting. The sunroof is huge. And after a quick short drive, we are almost there. Ahipalu. Alright, good morning guys. So I'm here finally, Ahipalu, the famous spot. Ooh, it's raining. And there we go. And let me show you something. Here is the legend, the Bruce Lee. Alright friends, ATM has a famous Hong Kong statue, the legend Bruce Lee. It's beautiful. So right at the back we have the skyline all the way down there. Right there, that is our ship, Ovation. Tarpura he's gonna get. And Bruce Lee. And that's Hong Kong. Beautiful. Skew and embark here. Okay, for the boat and the ferry. Okay, so footprint of this guy. And who is he? He is Piglet McDowell. He's a comic character created by Brian C. and Alice Mack. McDowell's stories has been adapted to many award-winning movie scene. Alright, my life as McDowell. Alright, let's go. McDowell. So we're going straight ahead this down. We have many handprints of celebrity. Okay. Producer. I think at a Bohoto Asian film entrepreneur, then we have a film actress, director, producer, you know, like a kind of a hall of a fame. I'm looking for Jackie Chan. Jackie Chan. Look at Hong Kong skyline. Beautiful. It's giving a similar vibe of Sydney Port. People are walking down, doing jogging, Korea say. Nice. And finally guys, here we go. Actor, director, Mr. Jackie Chan. Let's get the power of Jackie Chan. Alright, so yeah, he's tiny, yeah, a bit similar to me, yeah, kind of similar. Alright, এতিয়া আমি ডাউনটাউনত সোমালো ৰাতিপুৱা দোকানবোৰ খুলিছে আৰ্লি আৰু উবাৰ এটা কল কৰিলোঁ BYD এখন ইলেক্ট্ৰিক কাৰ আহিলে similar to Tesla and এতিয়া মই যাম Nan Lian Garden in Hong Kong আৰু ভিতৰত সোমাই চাওঁ গাড়ীখনৰ wow what a huge sunroof looks amazing though nice so guys আমি Nan Lian Gardenত আহি পালো আৰু ভিতৰলৈ যাওঁ আপোনালোক দেখুৱাম this cute little bonsai trees over there Here we are, entrance at Aipalu. As you can see, Nan Lian Garden. Alright, it's time to go in. Ooh, wow.
Through the stillness, the clouds drift high. Thoughts like breezes whisper by endless waves of a calm blue sky where dreams take wings and learn to fly. Gentle echoes of time's embrace. Each shadow finds its quiet space.
So guys, এতিয়া আমি Nan Lian পাৰ্কত আছো এইটো পাৰ্কৰ পৰা আমি ওলাই যাম অলপ পিছত আজি ওয়েদাৰটো ঠিকে আছে ইমান এটা গৰম নাই বতাহ দি আছে usually Hong Kong is hot and humid আৰু আজি অলপ ডাৱৰীয়া বতৰটো অকণমান বৰষুণো দিছিলে মাজতে আৰু আপোনালোকে দেখিছে all bonsai Really nice. I wish I could create something like this back home. Alright guys, it's Belek Thailand now, like on the other side of the park. Bonsai. Beautiful bonsai. Oh, look at this. Oh, there we go. The main attraction. Oh, paradise. Not sure. Oh, look at the wheel. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. And dear friends, now after watching all this beautiful bonsai, এতিয়া সময় হৈছে অকণমান পেট পূজা আৰু মই অকণমান লোকেল হংকঙৰ ফুড ট্ৰাই কৰিম most important I want to try the egg tart in Hong Kong. Yes, it is really famous. আপোনালোকে Hong Kong যেতিয়া আহে egg tart to নিশ্চয় try কৰিব and also the soy milk in Hong Kong is really famous in Singapore as well, the soy milk. So yeah, after trying all this beautiful like tasty delicious food, and then I'll go back. And here we go, another Uber, another Tesla. It's a red one. Aru Tesla bitorat apnaloke screen to dekhise. As you can see, there's small cars passing by in the screen. Yes, exactly, they can live detect a vehicle around you. Age piche sarifale ki gari ahi ase. Is it a car, is it a bus, is it a truck, is it a van? Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, technology. All right, anyways, so yeah, Hong Kong small tour hoy gol. Hopefully I'll be back in future in the coming months, and then yeah, we'll try and explore more. But azile imani khini asile Nan Lian garden, tar pisot common food, walk around the downtown, aru mur jehetu mur hatot beshi homoy nasile, aru etia final Uber and final ride going back to the ship. And that's our Uber Tesla. So friends, our hoy gol aji Hong Kong walk around, local food try korilo. Now going back to the ship. Our friends, june video to sai ase, please let me know in the comments kenokwa pale, aru june channel to subscribe kora nai, please subscribe kori dibo. Please subscribe to my channel, and apnalok subscribe korle I'll get motivation, aru apnalok motivate korle I'll make more videos for you. And yeah, till then, take care, love you all, bye bye, see you, ciao ciao.